Igbo Ekenemono Nnona Igbo Online College. I welcome you again to Igbo Online College. My name is Edith, your favorite Igbo teacher. So today I want us to learn about this Igbo word, bia. Bia means come. Bia by itself means come. So you could tell somebody, bia, come. Now, what are the various ways to use this word? It's actually a verb. You can say bia just alone, and it means come. You can say Michael bia, Michael come. Chioma bia, Uche bia, Jennifer bia. You can also say Ọ na-abịa, Ọ na-abịa, he or she is coming. Ọ na-abịa, he or she is coming. Ọ na-abịa, Ọ na-abịa. Can you say that? Ọ na-abịa, he or she is coming. Michael na-abịa, Michael is coming. Jennifer na-abịa, Jennifer is coming. Uche na-abịa, Uche is coming. So you could just say anybody's name and say na-abịa. It means that the person is coming. Or you use the pronoun o, or, meaning he or she or it. You could also say ọ ga-abịa, ọ ga-abịa. The first one is ọ na-abịa. This one now is ọ ga-abịa. Ọ na-abịa versus ọ ga-abịa. Ọ na-abịa is coming. Ọ ga-abịa will come. Ọ ga-abịa, he or she will come. Uche ga-abịa, Uche will come. Jennifer ga-abịa, Jennifer will come. Michael ga-abịa, Michael will come. Chioma ga-abịa, Chioma will come. Chijindu ga-abịa, Chijindu will come. So you say the name of the person, then ga-abịa, meaning that the person will come. Another way to use the verb bịa is bịara. Now this is past tense. Ọ bịara. Ọ bịara. He or she came. Ọ bịara. He or she came. Ọ bịara. He or she came. Chioma bịara. Chioma came. Jennifer bịara. Jennifer came. Chijindu bịara. Chijindu came. So you say the name of the person and you add bịara. It means that the person came. Another one is bịala. Ọ bịala. He or she has come. He or she has come. Ọ bịala. He or she has come. Some parts of Igbo will say ọ bịago. They mean the same thing. It is only a dialect variation. They mean just the same thing, just the difference in dialect. So you could say ọ bịala or ọ bịago. Anambra people, Enugu people will say ọ bịago. But a state in Nigeria called Abia, Imo, they will say ọ bịala. They will use la, while Anambra, Enugu will use go. I hope that is clear enough. So can you say that? Ọ bịala, ọ bịago. They both mean the same thing. He or she has come. He or she has come. Michael abịala. Michael abịago. Michael has come. Uche abịago. Uche abịala. Chioma abịala. Chioma abịago. So you could use any of them, Abiala or Abiago. Ha Abiala, ha Abiago, they have come. You could use Abiala, Abiago. Anyone you choose to use, anyone that flows for you, just use. They mean the same thing. The only difference is that some parts of Igbo use this and some parts of Igbo use this. That is dialect variation. I hope you have learned. I know and I hope you have learned a lot. So please follow me on Facebook, follow me on YouTube, Instagram, and let's go ahead and speak Igbo. Till the next one. Que